Hello. Today I have bought new Wi-Fi range extender TP-Link RE605X. I have dead zones in my house and I read a lot of reviews and it seems that this product should be one of the best in the market. So let's look how our box looks like. Here are the specifications. Wi-Fi 6. It seems I can connect Ethernet cable and I could have gigabit connection. And it should be plugged directly to the socket. Okay, let's try to unbox it. By the way, I have paid 60 euros for it. So we will see if it's worth. To have it. Since I'm filming with phone, quite hard to unpack it with one hand. Okay, I did it. Let's look what's inside the box. Yeah, seems there are a lot of documentation and yeah, I need to use my both hands for it. Okay, here it is. Yes, as usual, quick installation guide. Again, quick installation guide. Then we have the device itself. It has two antennas. And it has 4 LED lights. Here is Ethernet port. Here is WPS button. And that's it. It's not very small. But let's see. Should be probably on the top. Okay, here is the reset button as well. Alright, let's try to connect. So what I need to do, I need to download Ether app. Probably it should be in Play Store, as well as it should be available for iPhone phones. They have Android, so I will try that one. Okay, here is the app. I'll try to install it. Then I need to create account, at least I read that. Continue, and then yes, I need to create TP-Link ID. I have finished registration and activated the account, the email. Now it is asking if I should enable fingerprint scanner. Okay, let's do it for easier login. And I think it's set. Now what I need to do, I need to find the socket. So let's try it here. Okay, it's turned on. Let's look to the app. What we can press, we should press add device, and probably I need to choose range extender. Okay, now it shows probably to pick standard. Wait about 1 minute while then solid on. Okay, so it's asking local permissions. Now only this time. Next. Searching. Connect to the device. Connected. Okay, you need to create a password. The password was created. Okay. Now probably need to select my network. Okay, so let's select it. I need to enter the password of my Wi-Fi. I have entered the password. Okay, it's saying that signal is weak. But again, yes, now I am configuring 5G. Okay, let's try to enter it one more time. I will rename the same as I have originally. Save. And again here. Save. And applying. Settings. Here is only one LED shining. turned on. Extender to following, plug in extender about half. Okay, locations output. Okay, here are the end of all the passwords, and pressing connect to the network. So it's loading, and all the LEDs except one. Too far from the router, but no. Okay. Now seems okay. And that's it. Now we can check the Wi-Fi, and it seems the connection is quite good. Now we can test speed test. Test. App is needed. Maybe I have it. Yes, I have speed test. Let's try to check how it performs. Okay, not so bad. 84 megabits. Upload is even better. Yeah. So, yeah, that's working. I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.